दोंगरी वाठारांत दोंगरी ते करमळे खाजन मेरेन 20 कोटी खर्च करून बांदिल्लो पूल कांय उपयोगाचो ना अशें आम आदमी पक्षाचो फुडारी रामराव वाघाचें म्हणणें आसा. सरकार नाका त्या कामाक पयशे इबाड करता. 2008 हो डोंगरी वाठारांतलो पूल बांदपाक घेतिल्लो. 2011 ह्या पुलाचें काम पुराय जाल्लें पूण जोड रस्तो नाशिल्लो. GSIDCन ह्या पुलाचें काम चालू दवरिल्लें. ह्या वाठारांत शेती वेवसाय कमी प्रमाणांत जाता जाल्यार हो पूल कित्याक जाय असो प्रश्न रामराव वाघान उपरासला. आता ह्या पुलाचें काम परत हातान घेतिल्लें आसा. ज्या पुलाक लागून शेती वेवसाय आनी सैमीक वाठार नश्ट जावपाक पावला आनी ह्या पुलाचो वापर लेगीत जावचो ना जाल्यार ह्या धव्या हत्तीची गरज तरी कित्याक अशें रामराव वाघाचें म्हणणें आसा.
People are just the politicians and government is simply pushing this project without thinking of what is the environmental consequences of this. Now if we are actually putting a lot of mud and other things, soil into the fields, cutting the mangroves or whatever, actually they are wastes, they have to be removed, but the way this is being done is, I think, damaging the eco-sensitive nature of this area. There are so many creatures living over there and we are entering into a very eco-sensitive zone, and this has to be I think at this point government has to review this project, see if some other alternative, like we can stop this bridge only up to this point and have some steps so that you can step down, go to the other side until and unless this thing is built properly. Otherwise there is no point where this, because there is no plan how this road will go ahead, who will be the people, who are the farmers who will benefit from this, all this, and spending around 25 crores, because I think the cost has escalated, spending around 25 crores and building a bridge when there is nobody to use this, or it will be misused. That is another fear. For so many anti-social activities, this bridge might be misused. So we have to avoid it. Waste of government fund and a lopsided development just for the sake of some egos of politicians. We have done this project and now it is being pushed to show that it is completed, but it is of no use. So I think government has to seriously think on this. The representatives who are here, they have to question the purpose of this bridge and spend this money somewhere else instead of wasting this money over here.